This year at conference we have 3 resolutions. The first one has gone through. The first resolution we asked was relating to paid time off for equality reps in order that they can go out and do the very necessary work that needs to be done in order to ensure the equality agenda proceeds at a reasonable pace. Very pleased to say that conference fully endorsed that, and we had a unanimous vote to support that motion. The next resolution that's due to come up relates to education on LGBT issues. Unfortunately, even though we've been at this game now for 15 years, a lot of our members out there still don't know what the issues are, and there still is a lot of myths that need to be broken down, and that's why we're calling for a more comprehensive education programme, something which is actually structured and so that we can have uniform delivery throughout the UK. Final resolution is a very important one. It relates to disability discrimination. We have the Disability Discrimination Act, which has been in effect for a number of years now. Unfortunately, last summer we had a member who took their employer to tribunal because following a diagnosis of being HIV positive, their employer saw fit to impose sickness and absence monitoring policies. This policy meant that for the individual, whenever they would have time off through their sickness or for the requirement of treatment, they were receiving letters saying that future absence may result in disciplinary action up to and including dismissal. Obviously this is completely unjust, and we felt was against the legislation, hence why the tribunal proceeded. Unfortunately, in law there is something now called the Malcolm case, where the beef of the Disability Discrimination Act is no longer there, which allows employers to abuse people when they do get a condition which previously was covered under the Act. So we want conference, we want the Executive Council and the General Secretary to endorse this resolution we've put forward to look at ways we can challenge the Malcolm case to ensure that the Disability Discrimination Act serves those members who most need it and are most vulnerable, purely down to the disabilities they may have.